The stock prices changes every day as a result of market forces. By this, I mean that share prices changes because of supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell, then the price moves up. Conversely, if more people wanted to sell a stock than buy it, then there would be greater supply than a demand and the price would fall under. Understanding supply and demand is easy. What is difficult to comprehend is what makes people like a particular stock and dislike another stock. This comes down to figuring out what news is positive for a company and what news is negative. There are many answers to this problem, and just about any other investor, you should ask the question to yourself and make your own ideas and make your own strategies on this. We will surely bring the videos on the updates of the stock market on this channel. So if you have not subscribed it yet, then do it now for the regular new updates on the stock market and increase the basic understanding of the market and use it to have a very wonderful future. All the best, guys. This is Anand Cholkar.